The U.S. Marine Corps released a revised aviation strategy Monday that focuses on using autonomous systems, drones and artificial intelligence-driven software to ensure its aircraft fleet can survive in a fierce war zone. And the Corps is also shifting its procurement plans for the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter to buy more carrier-based F-35Cs and fewer of the B variants that can hover and vertically land. The Corps billed its 2025 Marine Corps Aviation Plan, the service's first in 3 years, as a roadmap to enhancing operational readiness and ensuring marine aviation remains a lethal force. A centerpiece of the plan, signed by Deputy Commandant for Aviation Lieutenant General Bradford Gearing, is a modernization strategy the Corps calls Project Eagle. We are committed to shaping a future aviation force that is ready, resilient and capable of rapidly responding to emerging threats, wherever they may arise, Colonel Derek Brannon of Headquarters Marine Corps Aviation said. Project Eagle builds on the progress we've made, and it prepares us to embrace technological innovation while ensuring we can deliver combat power across all domains. Project Eagle focuses on using advanced technology like AI alongside new concepts for generating marine air power, such as distributed aviation operations and decision-centric aviation operations, to ensure its aircraft can fight and operate in highly contested environments. Distributed aviation operations focus on coordinating how the Marine Corps uses its aviation squadrons, command and control agencies, aviation logistics and ground support units, spread out across battlefields in a way that makes it harder for enemies to target them. This can include pushing command and control authorities to lower levels and keeping forces moving. The decision-centric aviation operations concept aims to rapidly accelerate how quickly aviation elements make choices using cutting-edge technologies such as AI. To become a data-centric and data-enabled organization, the plan said, marine aviation needs to invest in infrastructure, personnel and training and make transformative leaps to use cutting-edge technologies. The plan also calls for marine aviation to dedicate resources and funding to develop advanced capabilities such as future drones supporting logistics, advancements in aircraft survivability and manned-unmanned teaming, or pairing crewed aircraft with autonomous drone wingmen. The Corps now plans to buy 280 F-35Bs and 140 F-35Cs, more than doubling the number of F-35Cs included in the 2022 plan, which called for 353 F-35Bs and 67 F-35Cs. The Marines intend to transition 4 Marine Fighter Attack Squadrons VMFA 232, VMFA 323, VMFA 112 and VMFA 134 to F-35C squadrons, leaving the Corps with 12 F-35B squadrons and 8 F-35C squadrons. The Corps expects to have 183 F-35Bs and 52 F-35Cs delivered by the end of 2025, according to the plan. The service aims to accelerate research and development on drone wingmen, known as collaborative combat aircraft, and get them flying alongside F-35s.